Before we arrange the numbers in order, we have to know something. You have to know how to count those numbers in order. You must know how to count the numbers in order. And how do we count the numbers in order? Yvette has just counted for us from 1 to 10. I will also count for you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So now that we know how to count the numbers in order, which number are we going to put here which number are we going to put first? Which number are we going to put here where my arrow is? Because we are supposed to arrange them in order. And arranging them in order is the order of counting. Arranging them in order is the order of counting. Now, I want someone to tell us which number I'm going to write first, because we are arranging the numbers in order. Oh, I've had someone asking that which class is this? This is middle and top class, and we are making corrections to the numbers exam we had last week on Thursday. This is middle and top class, and we are making corrections to the numbers exam we had last week. So we are going to arrange the numbers in order. So I want someone to tell us which number am I going to write here, because we are arranging the numbers in order.
Anna.
Anna, please tell us.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, which number am I going to write first?
1.
1. Very good, thank you. Because when we are counting, we start with 1. So I write number 1 there. Someone tell us, which number am I going to write next here? From number 1, what is the next number? Someone tell us. We are arranging these numbers in order. And Anne has already told us that
You are going to write this one.
So which number should I write next?
Okay.
Dennis Kizito.
Yes, Dennis.
Don't miss a club, no.
I know it's hard, but
Which number should I write next?
I write even Joseph but correctly. Yes. These are wrong. You write this one and write the numbers up.
Now, which number should I write here next? We are writing these numbers in order. We have finished writing number 1. Which number should I write next?
Joshua.
From number 1, what is the next number?
Joshua.
Yes, Joshua, please tell us. What is the next number from number 1? We are writing the numbers in order. Yes, Joshua. Which number should I write next?
December.
Oh, Joshua seems to have a network problem there. It seems Joshua has a network problem. Maybe if we can get someone else to tell us so that we can hear well.
Precious.
Yes, tell us. Which number comes after number 1?
This one. Then this one.
Hey, everyone is not
I
sitting down.
told you to write this one.
We are arranging the numbers in order. Anne has told us number 1 comes first. Because you see these numbers here, they are disorganized. They are not in order. We are supposed to write them in order. And Anne has told us that number 1 comes first. So which number comes next? Which number should I write here after number 1? Yes,
Yvette.
Yvette?
Yes, teacher.
From number 1, what is the next number?
Number 2.
Number 2, very good, because when we are counting, we say 1, 2, very good. 1, then 2, and there, so number 2 comes after number 1. Thank you. Now,
Teacher Robinah.
yes, my
Teacher
dear.
Robinah.
Yes, you can ask.
Teacher Robinah.
Yes, please. Ask your question, please. I'm hearing you. Please ask your question.
I can't hear you well.
You can't hear me well.
I can't hear you well.
Oh, sorry about that. Teacher Dennis.
Your network is bad.
Oh, sorry about that. Teacher Dennis, is that so?
There is some fluctuation in audibility, but we've been getting you.
Okay. Okay, sorry about that, but let me try to be very audible. So we are arranging the numbers in order. We started with number 1, came to number 2. Now, what is the next number? From number 2, what is the next number?
Zahara.
Yes.
What is the next number from number 2? What is the next number? Which number comes after number 2?
3.
3. Okay, let us count and see. 1, 2, 3. Wow, thank you. It really is 3. Thank you very much. Number 3 comes after number 2. Wow, good work. Let us continue. What is the next number? Which number comes after number 3?
4.
Someone tell us.
4.
4.
Number
Very
4.
good. Let us count and see.
Number
1, 2, 3, 4. Very good. 4 comes after number 3. So we shall write it there. Good job. Now, which number comes after number 4? Remember, we are arranging the numbers in order. So after number 4, which number comes? Which number is next?
Jordan.
Number 5. Number 5.
Number 5. Thank you. But let us count and see. Always count so that you don't make a mistake. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wow. Jordan, you're right. Number 5 comes after number 4. Let us continue. Which number is next? Which number is next? Someone tell us. Which number is next from number 5? What is the next number?
After I come to the part.
Which number is next?
Jordan.
Yes, Jordan.
Number 6.
Number 6. Okay, let us count and see. 1, 2, 3,
3,
4,
4,
5,
5.
6. Wow, great. Number 6. Number 6 comes after number 5. Let us continue. What is the next number after number 6?
Number 7.
Number 7.
Let me
Let us
check.
count and see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Wow, yes, it's number 7. So we shall put our number 7 here. Let us continue. After number 7, which number comes? Which number comes next? Someone tell us what is the next number?
Somewhere.
From number 7, which number do we go to?
Do Samuel.
Yes, Samuel, tell us. What is the next number after 7? Okay. What is the next number, my dear children? From 7, which number do we go to? From 7, which number do we go to? I told you you have to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What's the number there after 7? The number is? I didn't see. Number 8. Yes, thank you. So we write number 8 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You're right. Thank you very much. Someone tell us, what's the next number? What's the next number? What's the next number? From 8.
Miracle.
Gabriela, Bakulonze.
Miracle, tell us the next number from 8.
9.
9. Very good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes, it is 9. Thank you, Miracle. 9 is the next number. We write it there. Now, someone tell us which number we're going to write here. After 9, which number comes next? After 9, which number comes next?
10.
Number what?
10.
Which number comes next? I told you you have to count to know.
What?
You count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 10. 10 comes after 9. And how do we write 10? We write 1 together with 0. So that's how we arrange the numbers in order. That's how we arrange the numbers in order. And the order of numbers is the order of counting. Arrange the numbers in order. I think you can see our number 1 was so easy. Let us move to the next. Someone read for us question number 2. Please read for us question number 2.
Nathan.
Nathan, please read for us question number 2.
The ball.
Speak again. At start from.
Add the objects and write The number.
The number, very good. Good job there. Add the objects and write the number. Which objects are we going to add? Someone tell us. Which objects are we adding?
The balls.
The balls. Can you add them for us and tell us the number that I'm going to write here?
7.
7. How did you get that? You counted all of them together. When someone says add the objects and write the number, you count them together. First count 1, 2, 3. And this plus sign means also add these ones together, count them together. So we are going to count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then we shall write our number 7 here. Thank you very much. I think you can see how the exam was very easy. Let us continue. What do we have next? What do we have next in our exam? Add the objects and write the number. Yes, we are still adding the objects and writing the number. Someone tell us the objects we are adding and then add for us those objects.
Apple.
Apples, very good. Please add them, count them together and tell me the number that I'm going to write here. Count them, add them together and tell me the number that I'm going to write here. I can see some 2 hands up.
Yes.
Huh? Please,
We can't see the apples. Can you clearly show them? They've come off.
Oh, the
Yeah.
apples are there. Are you using a phone?
Yes.
They're not clear. Are you? You're not seeing them at all, or they are not clear? Teacher Dennis, can you see the apples?
Yes, I can't see. I would suggest the parent tries to swipe through the phone. Mama Miracle, try to swipe through the phone. You might be viewing another screen.
Okay. Now let us get someone to count for us those apples. Count the apples and tell us which number we are going to write here.
Yvette, Ray.
Yvette! They are looking for you.
Yvette.
Hey, where has Yvette gone? Yvette, come and count
I'm
the
here.
apples and count the apples and tell us the number we are going to write.
Okay. Let me calculate them. 2 plus 4.
Hmm?
Okay,
Now
1,
count them
2,
together.
5, 6.
How many apples are there?
2 plus 4. 2 plus 4. Not so?
And now count them together and give me the number that you get after counting them together. Don't
2
count
plus
them
4
separately.
equals 6.
Equals 6. Oh, you calculated them. Thank you. But we can just easily count them because I say this plus sign says count them together. So we shall count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And the answer is 6. Thank you, Yvette. The answer is 6. After
You're
counting
welcome.
them together, we get 6. As you can see, the exam was so easy. Let us continue.
Teacher.
We are still adding objects. Add the objects and write the number. Wow, we're still adding objects. Someone add for us these objects and tell us the number.
1 plus 2. 1 plus 2 equals 3.
How did you do that? You added them together. You counted them together. Thank you. 1,
Never
2,
counted them, but I
3.
calculated my head.
You calculated in your head. Wow, you're very clever. Thank you. But we can also just simply count them and say 1 banana, 2 bananas, 3 bananas. And then we write here our number 3. Thank you very much. I think you can see our exam was so easy.
We are going to do also this one.
This one you did it last week on Thursday. So we are making corrections. We are making corrections. We have another question there, number 3.
Okay.
Someone read for us that question. Read for us question number 3.
And write the number.
Read the instruction again, please.
Add using both and write the number.
Very good, thank you. Add using balls and write the number. What does that mean? It means you draw balls for each number. You draw balls for each number. For example, this is number 1. How many balls should I draw for number 1?
How many balls? 6.
1.
So you draw your 1 ball for number 1.
Pick it up in glass.
And this is number 5. How many balls should I draw for number 5?
5 balls.
Okay, as I draw, I want you to count with me.
You count.
1 ball,
2,
2 balls, 3
3,
balls, 4 balls,
4,
5 balls.
5.
Now I told you this plus sign here means you count them together. After drawing your balls, you count them together and then you write the number here. So we are going to count them together. 1,
Count.
2,
1, 2,
3,
3,
4,
4,
5,
5,
6.
6.
Then we write our number 6 here because we have added, we have counted them together. Thank you very much for counting with me. Let us move to the next one. What was the next? What was the next? Okay, we are still adding. Add using balls and write the number. Add using balls and write the number. So I want someone to tell me how many balls I am going to draw for number 3. How many balls am I going to draw for number 3?
3 balls.
Very good. So let us 1 ball, 2 balls, 3 balls. Then plus 6. Someone tell me how many balls am I going to draw for number 6?
6 balls.
6 balls.
Ahi?
How many balls am I going to
Nyamba
number six?
nedda none wako bayitala
6 balls. So let us draw the 6 balls for number 6. 1 ball, 2 balls, 3 balls, 4 balls, 5 balls, 6 balls. Now I want someone to add them and tell me the number I'm going to write here.
Count. You're going to begin with 3. Let's look at the number.
4, 7, 8, 9.
9. Let us count and see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes, you are right. So we are going to write our number 9 here. We write our number 9 there. Thank you very much. Thank you. Can see the exam was so easy, very easy. Let us continue. Wow. Add using both.
Madam Robinah. Madam Robinah, kindly unmute. Madam Robinah, if you can hear me, kindly unmute. Can't hear you. Teacher Robinah. Okay.
Okay, sorry about that. So we are still adding using balls, and the first we are on number 3, and number 3 says add using balls and write the number. Add using balls and write the number. So someone tell me, how many balls are we going to draw for number 5? How many balls are we going to draw for number 5?
Rich Tomsange.
Yes, Rich.
Yes, teacher.
How many balls are we going to draw for number 5?
5.
5 balls. Because the question is telling us add using balls and write the number. So we shall draw our 5 balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we draw 5 balls for number 5 plus 3. How many balls are we going to draw for number 3?
1,
How many? First tell us, how many balls are we going to draw for number 3?
3.
3 balls, okay? Let us draw them. 1,
1,
2,
2,
3.
3.
Now, Rich, count the balls and tell us which number am I going to write here? Which
Okay.
number?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Very good. Thank you, Rich. So we write our number 8 there. So I think you can see the exam was really so easy. Our exam was so easy. And that's the end of our exam. That was the end of our exam. There were 3 numbers and so easy. I would like to take this opportunity to thank all those who are able to do the exam. And if you did and you failed a number, I think you have seen the corrections. My dear children, I would like to take this opportunity to thank Edify Uganda for sponsoring these lessons. I would like to thank Christian Schools Owners Association for coordinating the lessons, and ITAO, ICT Teachers Association, for helping us deliver these lessons to you. And I would like to also thank you for always attending the classes. And I assure you, when you go back to school, you will be very clever. Thank you very much. Over to you, Teacher Dennis.
All right. Thank you very much, Madam Robinah, for taking us through the corrections. Thank you, parents, for attending and really keeping present up to this time. Apologies, we had some network issues in the morning devotion, both the teacher and later on I also had some issues with network. But the good thing is we have resolved and we are now set. Those in the WhatsApp group, I hope you've already received the message. We have the General Assembly today at 3:30. I want to appeal to each one of us to be there. We have very, very good communication for you. All along, we have been telling you we are ending. So today in the meeting, in the General Assembly, we are going to have very good information for you. I hope it will give an option to you in the planning process as you take decision on where your child will enroll and what next after the end of this program. So make it a must attend event. Like I said yesterday, today we are receiving communication from representatives, that is from Edify Uganda, our sponsors. We're also going to receive representatives from Christian School Owners Association, and then we are going to receive representatives from ICT Teachers Association of Uganda. What I would conclude with is in our sessions, we've been training students to do programming, the young children to do programming. So in today's assembly, the children are going to present to us what they have so far learned as far as programming is concerned. I hope this session is very, very good for you as parents. Last but not least, we use this forum to always interact with you and get feedback from you. We hope that in today's assembly, we shall interact freely as you give us feedback and we hear from you as far as improvement is concerned. Thank you very much for attending. I would wish you a good week and ask you to attend the remaining sessions as we wind up and switch to other coming sessions. Thank you, Madam Robinah. I would propose we have a prayer from one of the participants, if there's any other communication you're making.
Okay, thank you, Teacher Dennis. There's no other communication, just to also add your voice that please make today's meeting a must attend. Please be there, please be there. Teacher Dennis, you can pick someone to lead us in prayer.
Okay, let us have Hiba Eprodoi. Hiba had earlier sent me a private message. Hiba, I have asked you to unmute, kindly unmute. Hiba. Hiba, okay.
I pray.
Yes.
Very good. Lead us in a prayer.
I do the prayer.
Please
Do the
prayer. And the rest of us,
Dear
hands together,
Lord, I thank you
closed.
for. Dear Lord, I thank you for everything you've given me. Bless my children, bless my teacher, bless my friend. Thank you for everything you've given me. Amen.
Amen. Thank you for that wonderful prayer. So for now, you can unmute and say bye.
Bye, teacher. Bye,
I
bye.
love you so much.
So bye, bye, Anna. Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Bye. Bye, teacher. Bye, teacher.
Bye. 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 Bye.
Bye.
Bye.